Hey guys, I will show you how to fix this problem on Windows system. In the first step, right click on the star icon, then click on settings. Once we're here, click on these three lines and go to the apps section. Now go to install apps and from here type just Edge, and now in the Microsoft Edge section click on these three lines, click on modify and select S. Now you can repair it. We need to wait for some time to complete the process. This will take around 3 to 5 minutes to complete the process and to fix everything related to Microsoft Edge. Okay, once done, you need to close this window, close all windows one by one, and simply go to search bar, type your CMD, right click here and select run as administrator, select S and type this command sfc space slash scan now and hit enter. So this command will take a lot of time to complete the process, so we need to wait for it and complete this up to the 100%. Then simply type exit and close the command prompt window. Till then we need to just right click on the start icon and select settings, and we need to search for proxy in the search bar of the settings and click on change proxy settings. We need to turn off this option, automatically detect settings, and just close this window. Now complete this up to the 100% and simply restart your system and your problem will be solved for sure. That's it guys. You can also check out our description link to fix this issue quickly and effectively. And yeah, don't forget to like the video. Please do subscribe the channel.